Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble and install a rack on a Simbi bicycle. To assemble the Simbi rack, you're going to want to flip it over first. And you need a couple pieces from the packaging. There's this arm, these two pieces to secure it, and then 4 screws. So this basically sets right here, and you place these little plates over and start threading in your screws. A screwdriver, help you get them started. Go ahead and tighten these screws down until the movement of this arm is a little bit stiff, but not overly tight. Just like so. So using the provided 10 mil wrench, you need to loosen the brake. And we're actually going to fully remove it. Once you can get the thread off by hand, you're going to want to remove the bolt, the washers, and take the brake and remove it forward. You're going to want to remove the single washer and then slip on this mount for the rack. Put back on the curved washer. There's a slight curve. There's a slight curve in the washer. That needs to be facing towards the fork on this one. And slip this back through. Next, we'll take this washer, and the curved part will now go towards the fork and the nut. And start threading that on by hand. It is snug with, again, our 10 millimeter. Okay, next we need to bend this piece of the rack up, or this bracket. Bend this bracket up. So you're just gonna hold it here, and you're gonna bend it up a little bit. Threading in these screws. Like so. And taking down. Now using a 4 millimeter Allen key, you're going to want to remove this bolt and the washer, and the rack support will slot over that, and the bolt will go right back in. And there is your Simbi basket.